Hey guys, Bill Soriano here again, and it's Wednesday morning, about 9:06 a.m. I'm getting my charts ready here, getting ready pretty soon here to turn the alerts back on for today's session, using 1 minute time frame with our ATH Flow Indicator. As I've been telling you guys, made a video yesterday, showed good day in the market yesterday. I was able to get 2 out of 3 wins. There was a couple other wins that I missed that I showed you. Uh, Last night during the Asian session was just crazy using this indicator because these types of indicators usually don't work for me during the Asian session. But we've been testing it out. The whole community has been testing it out as well. And I mean, it's just last night was just incredible. Let me just show you from last night. I did take one trade. I like to just take one trade during the Asian session. So whichever one presents itself first. I don't like to start trading until around 9 o'clock Eastern time. Some people will start at 8. Um, Sometimes there's just a little bit of craziness in the market there right around the Asian Open. And so I like to wait till about 8:30 or 9. Okay. Um, and so this was AUDUSD last night here. You could see on the 1 minute time frame, you can see our moving averages are lined up for a bullish trade here. At this point, we get the ATH, the bullish ATH comes out. We get a candle closes above that trend line there, right? These trend lines are drawn by the indicator, the free indicator, the Lux Algo trend lines with breaks. This way, all of our trend lines are completely objective, right? So this is the main thing about this strategy is you get the ATH indicator comes out, that's completely objective. You get the trend line break, that's completely objective. Then you look for the continuation candle, right? Or sometimes I call it a confirmation candle. That has a little bit of subjectivity to it. And I'm going to do some additional training on that for you guys soon. Um, but the first two parts are very, very objective. Everyone in the community is now using this Lux Algo trend lines with breaks indicator. That way, we all have the same trend lines because you know as well as I do, if you've been trading for a while, you do anything with trend lines. If you ask 10 different traders to draw you trend lines, you'll probably get 10 different trend lines, right? So this way, we just rely on this indicator to give us the trend line, and that's it. Okay, so the indicator goes off. We get the alert. We look at the chart. This candle here breaks the trend line. You could see down here, this is during the Asian session, 2100. This is after 9 p.m. Eastern time last night. Okay, very important there. And then here's our continuation candle right here. Strong bullish candle. You get in there, boom, right up it goes. Um, and again, not a lot of time. You're not in this trade very long. You're getting in this trade, somewhere in between 9 and 9:15 p.m. and you get out of it, somewhere between 9:30 and 9:45, according to the times down here at the bottom. So when these trades go off correctly, they're pretty quick. They're pretty quick. You're in there maybe 1, 2 hours and you get to your take profit. Again, the community goes for a 1 to 2. I shorten that down a little bit. I go to a 1 to 1.75. I've been testing that out though. And over the past maybe almost 100 trades now, not with just this exact strategy, but with this one and a similar one, it seems that whenever you get to 1.75, you always get to 2 as well. So 1 to 2, sometimes, usually about 30% of the time, you'll get to a 1 to 3 as well. I've been testing that out. I keep track of that on all trades. But anyway, this was AUDCAD. Trying to get off track here. I just wanted to come on here real quick. And where is the next chart at here? Okay, let's see. Let's pull this back up. Let me see here where my charts went to. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that was devastating because it felt like okay, we could move on. Max could go play for team.
Okay, that was the first one. The second one is GBP. So the euro pound, right? So we see here right around that 9 p.m. Eastern time here, you get two alerts go off. There's the first one, there's the second one. Our moving averages are lined up for a bearish trade. They're also lined up like that on the 1 hour time frame as well. And so then we get the break of the trend line, right? And that trend line break there could also be the continuation candle as well. I, however, would wait for the next continuation there, and then we would enter right there, and then boom, right down. Again, very quick trade, in and out, right? You could see it moves down to here. This is where your exit would be. If you didn't get out there, it pulls back, and then it takes you down further. Okay. And then the last one was GBPAUD. I did take this trade last night. I took the first one here. Okay. And so I took it at the first point here. And so I got out and I didn't get back in. I didn't look at the chart, and then I came back, looked at the chart and said, oh, it gave you another entry, and look what it did. So here, again, the moving averages are in line. You can't see the black one, but it's up above there. You see the blue and the red, that's the 55 to 233. There's our indicator going off. Again, it's after 9 p.m. Eastern time. There's our candle that closes past below the trend line. And then we kind of get a continuation candle right there. Okay, that red candle before the blue candle. If you don't get in there, then of course this candle here would definitely be a continuation candle. You could get in there. But getting in here, your exit is somewhere down around here. And then again, we get 1, 2, 3 more indicators going off here. And right here, when this one goes off here, crosses the trend line. We don't really get a continuation candle. Then we get another one, and then this one here crosses again, closes below the trend line, and that could be your continuation candle as well. I would wait for the next one, and then boom, the bottom just falls out of it. So that was last night during the Asian session. Again, usually, in the past, I've found that our community indicator with the different strategies we were using didn't work very well during the Asian session. But this strategy seems to work during all sessions and also across all time frames. I've done it. I'm doing it mainly on the 1 minute because it works across all time frames. But of course, as you go up in time frames to the 5 to 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, you're just going to get less trades. So that's why we tend to stay on the 1 minute. So this was last night during the Asian session, guys. I'm getting ready for today's New York session. Have a great day.